going on, everybody? As you can see, I'm in trades now. Uh, Now there is a lesson that I call the bigger picture. That's the main title of the lesson, where I dissect to people how to trade pairs like the XAUUSD and how to deal with different pairs basically. So you see, with one trade, I'm at £607 in an account of 1,632, almost 50% of the account in a single trade. You see where I came in? I didn't enter this trade like 30 minutes ago. You see that? Okay. So that's all about it. Some of my mentees, they are aware of what's going on at the moment, but it is what it is. We bless God for this strategy. We bless God for the information. We bless God for the wisdom, and stay blessed, family. God bless you. I love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. I'm signing out.